Hey guys, welcome back. This is Command Blockade here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a potion of slow falling in Minecraft 1.13.1. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, first things first, you need a brewing stand, kind of obvious. Next thing, you need to put all the water bottles in. Then you'll need the following ingredients: blaze powder. Place it in this slot here. You'll need nether wart. You should get that started, as long as you have like 3 water bottles in. You then place in a phantom membrane gotten by killing phantoms. The way to kill phantoms is to wait until you haven't slept for like 5 days and then try to find one. They'll spawn probably at night, from the best of my understanding. Now you place the phantom membrane in there. Like I've said before in my other tutorials, this will take some time. Maybe a little longer than a furnace will. But hey, it's good practice. Now you should have 3 potions of slow falling that will last for about 1 minute 30 seconds. We can use redstone dust to make that into 4 minutes of slow falling. When used, to the best of my understanding, will obviously slow you down. Although I've never drinking one before. This is my first time trying out this potion. I taught myself how to do it, but regardless, these are the potions. So I'm just going to take one. I'm going to put it up there. And that is pretty much the end of the tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in another one of my brewing tutorials, one of my let's plays, one of my redstone tutorials, or one of my did I already say let's play? Yeah, I did. Command tutorials, that's what it was. Hope to see you in one of my videos. Bye!